Ever wished you could test your Telnyx integration without the fear of messing up your live setup? In this quick guide, we'll walk you through installing Telnyx in your local host, letting you experiment risk-free. First, ensure you have Python and pip installed on your system. Open your terminal or command prompt. Create a virtual environment to isolate your project dependencies. This prevents conflicts with other Python projects on your machine. Use the command python 3 meters and Telnyx_env. Activate your virtual environment on Windows. Use Telnyx_env scripts. Activate on Mac OS or Linux. Use source Telnyx_env bin activate. Now, install the Telnyx Python library using pip. Run the command pip install Telnyx. This downloads and installs the necessary Telnyx modules for your project. Next, import the Telnyx library into your Python script and configure your API key. You'll find your API key on the Telnyx portal under the API keys section. Remember to keep this secure. Finally, run a simple API call, such as sending a test SMS, to verify your local setup is working correctly, and that's it. You've successfully installed Telnyx in your local host. Now you can safely develop and test your Telnyx integrations.